Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I'm gonna do a review of an opportunity called the $1 thing. Right now, I received the email last night about this opportunity, um, so I decided to check it out and take a look and see what it's about. Now, what this is about, it's about saving and earning. Okay, when you become a member, you get access to coupons, and they show you where you can download apps that'll help you save money as well and also earn. Okay, and in addition to that, you also get a quarterly membership to a magazine that'll give you tips and tricks involving, the home business space. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, this is the sales video, the sales page that you get when you join. Now, this sales page pretty much goes over everything that I want to show you, and also after I'm done showing you, I'm going to show you the back office of the system as well. All right, so this is the page. Now, everything on this page gives you an overview of what the opportunity is about. It gives you a little information into the company, gives you information on what you're going to get access to as well when you join. Now, one of the things that I must tell you about this opportunity is that it is a monthly membership opportunity, and there are 3 different levels that you can join at, and I'll get into that a little later on in the video. But the main thing I want to show you is right here. What can a dollar do for you? All right, and it can change everything. Then it shows you some numbers here, right? Let's go further down. This is the quarterly membership that you get access to, the Small Business Magazine. Okay. Now you see this is a sample cover here. Each quarter you're gonna get access to this magazine, a digital copy. It'll show you how to save money, how to earn an additional income, tax saving tips, etc. Articles about healthy living and travel along with living a well-rounded, successful lifestyle are included in your subscription. So this is already valuable in itself. All right. This is one of the products that you get access to. Okay. And going further down, it shows you how to get started, things like that. All right. Well, you can definitely read more into this as well when you join, and you're going to want to join. I'll get into the specifics of that, why. All right. You see you have the information down here. We're going to click on the products tab because I want to get into this as well really quick while I have you guys here. Now, as I said before, this opportunity is about helping people save and helping people earn as well. So in addition to the subscription that you'll receive, you're going to receive a couple other things as well that I feel will allow you to benefit. Okay, it's going to be 1 second while this page loads up. Okay, so I already covered the Small Business Magazine. Okay, you'll also be able to get access to a KISS retail card. Okay, that'll have you covered on all your everyday purchases. All right. From the smallest of items to the big tickets, you'll find savings. Whether you're looking for groceries or a new car, you'll find it with your KISS Retail Goodbye card. So you're going to be able to get access to that as well. Phase 4 travel. Let me see what else you got. There's another thing that I wanted to show you as well. So go further down, and this is what I was talking about before. The no cost benefits package. All right, you get a prescription card, savings up to 90%, coupons with savings of hundreds of dollars. And if you're going to get access to a no-cost debit card, and then you can give away and get $20 once they activate it. They get 20, you get 20. And mobile apps that'll actually pay you when you join and pay you when you shop. So, as I said, you're going to be able to save with the resources that you're getting access to in your membership. All right. Now that that's covered, you've seen some of the products already. Let's go into the income opportunity, the compensation plan. There are 3 different levels with this opportunity that you can join at. All right, and I'll go over it right now with you. The compensation plan structure is a little bit different than what you're used to. Because it's a monthly membership, you'll be earning residual income with the opportunity. All right, so you're gonna have a basic level, right? And it'll show you, the compensation plan here. It'll show you how to become a part of this compensation plan and an independent representative. You have options as well. So what's crazy about this is, right, the total cost to get started is literally $1 per month plus a $2 annual administration fee, right? So essentially you're paying that plus $1 shipping fee. So it'll be $4 to get started today then it's literally $1 per month. Okay, or you can pay $14 for a 1-year subscription. It's up to you. You have access to the benefit package, also access to the direct sales division, and that'll show you how to earn additional income with additional methods. Okay, you have the training materials, a website, back office, and marketing materials. So this is the compensation plan for the basic level for $1 per month, basically. For every person that you bring in, this is 6 levels deep, three members. On level 1, you'll have 9 members on level 2, and then 27 on level 3, and so forth and so on. But the commission per level is 12 cents, small, but it'll add up over time as long as you're consistent with it. Okay, so when you're at level 6, you'll have 729 members as long as you're actively promoting, doing your part. 12 cents per member, $87.48. Total accumulative monthly commission, $131. Right, it's not a lot, but for $1 per month, like really, what do you have to lose with $1 per month? Okay, so you'll have that there. The Emerald level. Now the Emerald level, pretty much the similar concept, same three members per level structure. Okay, 3x6 matrix. Here, same concept, $1.50 per level for a commission for a person that you bring in and then joins at that level. Okay, total commissions earned per level, $4.50, $13.50. So you earn, this is what you earn per level. Okay, going further down, you see it all here. $1,600, over $1,600, level 6, usually bringing in 729 people that come in at the Emerald level, $1.50 per level. So you see it's starting to add up a little bit. Okay, now for this level, $12 per month plus a $10 annual administration fee. Not bad at all. All right, Diamond level. This is the 3rd level and the highest level so far. $47 a month, $10 annual admin fee. Okay, and you see the plan here. $5 commissions. $5 commissions paid per level. So you have $15 on level 1, $45 on level 2, $135 on level 3, $405 level 4, $1,200 level 5, and $3,600 on level 6. So that'll be your total accumulative commissions with all Diamond members, $5,460 on level 6. All right. A lot of people are going to see this opportunity. They're going to look at it and they're probably going to say, you know what? It's not a bad compensation plan, and it's really not, right? Some people are going to come in and they're going to join at the Emerald level. $12 per month, nothing wrong with that. Some people are going to come in and they're going to want to join the Diamond level. I recommend you get in where you fit in. If you can only afford $1 per month, start at the $1 per month level. Work your way up. Because again, it's literally $1 per month, right? And you're getting access to savings, right? You're getting access to savings. And you're also, going to be able to earn on that level. Okay, start small, work your way up. All right. So that's the compensation plan right there in a nutshell for you guys. It's a great package, and also gives you another breakdown as well. Of the other possible earnings that you can get access to as well. All right. These are all optional earnings. None of this stuff is required. These are all options. All right. We're going to go to the back office now. I don't know about you per se, but I see the possibilities with this opportunity. I see what it can do. I see the value that it brings. And as I said earlier in this video, this opportunity is about helping people save and helping people earn. All right. Great opportunity, great value. I feel that a lot of people are going to jump on this once they see it, because this is not really on social media. I've really seen a lot of people talking about this opportunity. The only time that I've seen this opportunity was when I got that email yesterday. So that's why I'm doing this video. Right? You see everything here, your commissions, you give you your commissions, your team, ownership orders. You're also able to upgrade at any given time. Okay, you can upgrade your levels to basic 12-month prepaid. You go see your order, see your credit card set up, and your order history. You get access to your replicated site, which is the one that I just showed you. That's the site you get access to that does a lot of explaining for you. You get access to your library center, and you get access to your dashboard, which is where you are right now. Okay, you have your home button, upgrade button, products, events, store, and contact button. Going down here, you have a nice little welcome introduction to the system. Okay, it'll give you a walkthrough, a little bit of what you're going to get access to. There's that. You'll see your sponsor's information here on the side. And it'll also tell you what you need to do in terms of getting started. It'll show you and tell you what you need to set up above all else. Okay. Genealogy, monthly membership, where you can find your marketing materials. And it'll also give you a tip. So it'll give you a few tips as well on how to create the fastest growing check in the company. All right. It'll give you that little option right there, show you how to do it. Now, you can order some business cards, post flyers around town, advertise online, purchase opportunity seeking leads, categorize your business, and participation in the ad co-op. Excuse me. And this is an optional marketing suite that you can purchase for $20 a month, right? You'll be able to get access to tools to advertise your business that you need. Okay, the ability to design your own capture pages and autoresponder messages. Optional, not required. So I'm not going to go deep into that. At the end of the day, I'm going to summarize this by saying this, okay? You can start small. You can start today, right? $4. $4 is all it's going to take for you to get started today. And that will cover your first month membership, right? Your auto ship for this month, right? You can go out and promote this opportunity to anyone that you feel needs an opportunity to earn an additional income. Now, you do get paid by check. Okay, yes, you get paid by check when you reach a certain threshold, and the threshold you reach will be at $25. So at $25, you can request a check to be sent to you. All right? And I feel, again, it's attainable. It is definitely attainable with this opportunity. The only reason why I'm sharing this with you guys right now is because I pride myself on providing opportunities that, not only provide value, that are affordable, but opportunities that anyone can really do. And this is something that anyone can really do. This is something that anyone can afford. As long as they're willing to do their part in terms of promoting this opportunity consistently, they can have success with this. And that's what it's really all about at the end of the day. All right. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer your questions for you. Although I feel like this opportunity doesn't really need much explaining, because once they see the sales page will cover all of the explaining, the selling and telling for you. So it'll give you a complete breakdown of what you get access to when you join the dollar thing. So you don't have to worry about the whole explaining to someone what you're going to get access to, because they'll go to that sales page. They can click on all that information and they'll definitely see what they're going to get access to. All right. So guys, that's it for me. Hope you all have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video from start to finish. If you have any questions, again, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions for you in a message. But for now, guys, enjoy your day. Click the link, check it out, see what you think. You can get started for $4 today, literally $4 today, and $1 per month after that. What do you really have to lose by doing that? And then once you feel you made enough profits, you can easily scale up with your profits, and then go from there, right? So no brainer to me though. All right, guys, enjoy your day. I will see you on the next video. But until then, take care, and I'll talk to you later.